Hello students, good morning to all of you. I hope you are doing very well and continuing practice at home. Students, in our previous video, we learned how to do subtraction with borrow and without borrow method. In our today's video, we are going to solve some problem sums. Okay students? But students, now you have to understand that in which sum you have to do addition as well as subtraction. So here I am going to give you some hints. The words that describe additions are sum, total, altogether, in all, count, profit, etc. So you have to do addition. The words that describe subtractions are subtract, minus, differences, deduct, remainder, take away, taken from, take off, balance, loss, etc. So you have to do subtraction. With the help of these words, you can easily understand that a problem sums and you are able to solve all sums easily. So let's start to solve some problem sums. Students, on your screen you can see that the question, and here we are going to solve it. The sum of two numbers is 7,65,983. If one of the number is 2,87,560, then what is the other number? First, students, you have to understand the sum, that here the total sum of number, that means addition is also given and out of them one number is given. So we have to find the another. So here we are going to solve it. On your screen you can see that I am already write down the sum of two numbers. One of number is given. So exactly what you have to do, that you have to subtract 3 minus 0, 3, 8 minus 6, 2, 9 minus 5, 4. In 1000 column you can see that 5 minus 7, but 5 is less than 7, so we are going to the 10,000 column. 6 minus 1 becomes 5, and we go to give this one to the 1000 column. So 15 minus 7, 8. 5 minus 8 is not possible, so we are going to the lakh column. 7 minus 1 becomes 6, and we are going to give this one to the 10,000 column. So 15 minus 8 becomes 7. 6 minus 2, 4. See students, our final answer is 4,78,423. Yes students, our last step is to insert commas as per Indian number system. I hope this sum is cleared in your mindset and your doubts is cleared. Now we are going to solve our next sum. Students, first of all, again we are going to read the question, understand, and after that we are solved it. A total of 1,30,000 spectators gathered in a stadium to watch a football match. If 57,635 of them were females, how many of them were males? Yes, students, you have to subtract total number of spectators, and from them you have to deduct female. When you do this, then you got final answer, and the answer is we got males. That how many males are there? Okay students, now we are going to solve it, and you know that whenever we are going to solve, we have to start it from the 1. Okay, we started. Total spectators, I'm already write down 1,30,000, and I'm already minus female. So 0 minus 5, not possible. So here we are going to go to the 1,000 column, but here not available. 100 column 0, 10,000 column 0. Sorry, 1,000 column it's again 0. So we are going to 10,000 column, and here we get 3. So we subtract 1 from there, and we give 3 minus 1 become 2. We give 1 to the 1,000 column, but again we have to go to the ones column, so we are continuously deduct 1 from this also. So 10 minus 1 become 9. Same process, 10 minus 1 become 9. Again 10 minus 1 become 9, and we give this one to the ones column. So 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 7, 2. But here in 10,000 column, 2 minus 5 is not possible. So we are going to the lakh column. 1 minus 1 becomes 0, and we give this ones to the 10,000 column. So 12 minus 5, 7. So how many males are there? Yes, 72,365. Students, you have to write this answer as per the Indian number system, and you have to insert commas. So 7, I am going to write down 72,365 of them were males. I hope you understand this very well, and now we are going to solve our another sum. Okay, can we read? First of all, we read question, and after that we are going to solve it. Okay students, a cargo ship can carry maximum 5,67,637 kg of cargo. If you are not able to see this number, then I am already write down it here. You can see that 5,67,637 kg of cargo. This ship is already loaded with 5,86,987 of cargo. How much cargo should be offloaded? Students, here the word we have to guess that offloaded for a safe journey. What is question actually want to tell us that a cargo is loaded with a ship is loaded with cargo, and the maximum capacity of cargo is 5,67,637, and already it is overloaded. So how many load we have to off that for the safe journey for the ship? Okay, so what we actually have to do, and that is actually loaded cargo is, and we have to subtract maximum cargo limit. So we are starting it here. 7 minus 7, 0. 8 minus 3, 5. 9 minus 6, 3. Students, 6 minus 7, not possible. So we are going to the 10,000 column. 8 minus 1 becomes 7, and we are going to give ones to the 10,000. 16 minus 7, 9. 7 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 5, 0. So we got our final answer 19350, and we are going to insert commas as per Indian number system. Okay, so our final answer is 19,350. Students, in this sum, capacity of ship that loaded with cargo is given, and we already deduct it to maximum capacity. So we got our final answer. Now we are going to solve our next sum. First, we will read and understand this sum, because this sum is the next level of hard. So Ready to understand? During Christmas vacation, 5,28,967 Americans and 4,98,456 British landed in Rome. On New Year's evening, 2,87,345 of these visitors left Rome. Find the total number of Americans and British visitors who stayed back in Rome to celebrate the New Year. Students, first understand on during Christmas vacations how many Americans and British landed in Rome. When first we added this, then we know that how many total visitors are there who landed in Rome. Okay, first I write American visitors and British. When we are going to add this, we got our total visitors. How many total visitors who landed Rome for during Christmas vacation? Okay, so 7 plus 6, 13. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 9 plus 1, 10. And 10 plus 4, 14. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Students, now we got that how many total visitors are landed in Rome. But what is our next step? So, what we are going to do on New Year's evening, 2,87,345 of these visitors left Rome. So, what we are going to do when they left, that means we are going to subtract it. Find the total number of Americans and British visitors who stayed back in Rome to celebrate the New Year. So, we are subtract total visitors from the left visitors. Here you can see that I am already write down total visitors subtract total left visitors. Okay students, now we are going to solve it. 3 minus 5, no, not possible. So we are going on tens. 2 minus 1, 1, and we give this ones to the 1. 13 minus 5, 8. 1 minus 4, not possible. So we are going to the 100 column. 4 minus 1 become 3, and we give this ones to the tens. 11 minus 4, 7. 3 minus 3, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. Now 2 minus 8, not possible. So we are going to the lakh column, and here not available. So we are going to the 10 lakh. 1 minus 1 becomes 0, and we are going to give this ones to the lakh. But again we have to go to the 10,000. So we again subtract here. 10 minus 1 become 9, and we give this ones to the 10,000. So it becomes 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 9 minus 2, 7, and here 0. So students, you can see that our final answer is 7,40,078. So how many total visitors are there? 7,40,078. Got it? Now students, this sum is done by you. This is the practice for all of you students, and I am going to show you, but you just try it at your home. Students, a TV channel made a profit of rupees 34 lakh 46,000. In the year 2009, rupees 32,64,000 in the year 2010, and rupees 30,11,000 in the year 2011. How much profit? Yes, you got the question. We have to add this sum. So this sum is practice sum. You have to solve it your home. I hope this concept is completely clear on which sum you have to addition and on which sum you have to subtraction.